Hello, my name is Eric Runningpath and I'm Navajo-Yaqui. I'm from the second largest tribe, and we're sharing Native American dances for Native American Heritage Month. Next dance we'd like to share is called a warrior dance. The warrior dance was done by the young men of the tribe. It was to show courage, to show strength. It's a way of being able to share the Native American culture. When we say hello in our language, we say yate. Can everyone say yate?
Yate.
Very good. In the Cherokee language, it's great to be able to share to kids and all different people through dances. We do many powwows, many gatherings, and through my display of Native American items, the Navajo rug and the Navajo loom. So the diamond design that you see is called the butterfly symbol. The butterfly symbol means everlasting life. Baskets and acorns and arrowheads from the California tribe and also the Plains tribes. Our traditions and culture is still here, and it's great to be able to share to everyone around the world. Alrighty. Thank you.